It is time to answer another viewer weather question in this week's Ask a Weatherman. This time around, Rhonda asks, why do bridges freeze over before the rest of the roadway? Well, I think that's a great question, Rhonda. Oftentimes when you're driving on the freeway, you might see those signs that say something like bridge freezes before roadway or bridge may be icy. It is true that bridges freeze sooner while the roadway takes a longer time to freeze over. So why is that? Well, in order to answer this, we have to talk about heat transfer and temperature. A little science for you this morning. All physical objects are always absorbing and emitting heat energy at all times. The amount of energy being absorbed versus the amount being emitted can vary. If the two are in balance, the object's temperature will not change, like the object on the left. If the object is absorbing more energy than it emits, like the one in the middle, then it'll start to warm up. And if the object is emitting more energy than it absorbs, like the one on the right, it will cool down. The amount of the imbalance between the incoming and outgoing energy will determine how quickly the object warms up or cools down. Also, different materials will absorb and emit energy at different rates. So let's see how this applies to the bridge question. There are two basic reasons why a bridge cools down faster than the rest of the roadway. First, the bridge is often made of materials like steel and concrete, which emit energy very efficiently. Second, bridges are isolated above the ground rather than sitting on the surface of the land. Hence, energy can radiate outward from the bridge in basically all directions. The rest of the roadway does sit on the ground, and that emits energy upward while continuing to absorb energy from the ground below. This is why the bridge emits energy more efficiently than the rest of the roadway, cooling it off more quickly and allowing it to freeze over sooner. So thanks to Rhonda for that question. Remember, Ask a Weatherman airs every Monday morning right here on Mornings on Fox 11. If you have a question that you want answered, get it to me by email, Facebook, or Twitter. A little science for you this Monday morning.
Yeah, we like it. Some interesting questions. I love when people write in. They just, it's one of those things, everybody loves the weather, loves to chit-chat, always has an opinion about it, so it's nice to be able to kind of answer that. And real quickly, to let everybody know, in case you weren't aware, if you're feeling kind of strange lately, it's because we do have a full moon